In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate lists in Trello. Duplicating a list is a quick way to reuse a workflow, template, or recurring set of tasks without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's perfect for sprints, monthly routines, or any process you repeat regularly. I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to duplicate a list. Make sure you're on the correct board in your workspace so the copy ends up in the right place. If you work with multiple teams or projects, it helps to confirm you're on the board that already contains the list you want to reuse. Next, find the list you want to duplicate. This is the vertical column with a title at the top. On the list header, look for the three dots icon. It usually appears in the top right corner of that list's header. Click those three dots to open the List Actions menu. This menu is where Trello keeps many list-specific tools, like moving, archiving, and copying. From the drop-down menu, choose Copy List. Selecting this tells Trello you want to create a new list based on the one you selected. This option is designed to save time by carrying over the structure of the list and the cards inside it, so you can start working right away without manual duplication. You'll now see an input field where you can rename the copied list. This is a great moment to make your list easy to identify. Consider adding a date, sprint number, or a brief label that explains its purpose, like Q3 Launch Prep, Copy, or Sprint 12 Backlog. Clear naming helps you and your team find the right list at a glance and prevents confusion when multiple similar lists appear on the same board. When you're happy with the name, click Create List to finalize. Trello will instantly generate the duplicate and place it on your board, typically near the original. You'll see the new list appear with the same structure, so you can jump straight into organizing and assigning work. If needed, you can always drag the new list to a different position later to match your board's flow. And that's it. You navigated to your board, opened the list menu, selected Copy List, renamed it for clarity, and clicked Create List to finish. This simple workflow keeps your boards consistent, saves setup time, and helps maintain best practices across projects. If you make this a habit with repeatable processes, you'll keep your workspace tidy and your team moving faster.